Then
Yes, but I don't know what I'm gonna say.
so guys, welcome back to the second part of programming and how it is like to learn from different resources, especially Udemy, Skillshare courses, and how it is like to learn programming from from interactive classes like what we are hosting on the self-dev community. And last episode you talked about, or like you listened to Jonny's experience, and now we still are here, and this time we have Blazer who can share his experience on the different resources and how it is like how I do it. Like, yeah. So Blazer, welcome in again.
Hello, everyone. Yeah, so what is it like to learn from different resources? First, yeah, you should use different resources and see which one fits you the best, like your learning style. Before you kind of invest your time into one, you need to know how you learn, like what's your best way of learning. Like Johnny mentioned, he watched the course, but it wasn't really how he wanted, so he looked for the one he wanted. As for me, I had when I started, I bought a course, and I was lucky that the instructor was so good that explanations, everything was so. It was recorded, but you felt like you were there. You felt like you were interacting, and so that also really helped me. And not only that, but after the course, I took 2 months without having another course, which I was just applying what I learned, like really applying every single day. And I think on the third month, that's when I got the second course, and I kind of just repeated the same cycle. But when I repeated, it didn't feel like I was repeating. It felt like whatever I learned, it just came back to me like instant. And what I was learning was building up on what I learned before. So it was like getting double return on the time I invested by uh, taking the first course, applying everything I learned, and applying it again after the course was over. And comparing to the Python bootcamp we have on the self-test server, it's kind of similar, where whereas here we kind of have more interactivity. Like you can ask questions immediately and get an answer, which is like really helpful instead of you, I don't know, beating your head on the table alone. You have people who can help you immediately if you have any questions. I don't know if this is kind of similar to how you did things, Johnny, or you have anything to add?
Basically what you said, and it's very helpful if you have somebody who can help you right away. Because I'm
Yeah,
a person, if I have a problem, I want to solve it right away, and if I don't get to solve it right away, I'm like eager, like I'm really trying hard to fix, like to solve it until I get the
yeah,
solution. So yeah, very glad, or like, very thankful that you guys are here.
yeah. And also, I just remembered normally Long gives weekly tasks that people can do, and you can quickly see like when there's a day when the day arrives that we kind of see the solutions. You can see how people did the same thing but in different ways, which kind of can open your mind to how you can complete the task in a different way, which also like really helps. So you don't only learn from the person who's teaching, but you learn from the people who are learning with you. So you get even more to explore, which is also really good.
Yeah. If I can add something very quick, it's always nice to have also like people with the same level. Like we have different levels of skills, and I also like to exchange myself with them and see what they do, like what how they do it, so you can get an idea of
Yeah,
more
yeah,
multiple
exactly.
possibilities. Yeah.
Yeah. Also about that, about having people on the same level with you helps a lot because sometimes you have someone who's really, really, I don't know, advanced, and when they teach, it's like, oh my God, are you a scientist? Like, what are you talking about? Please speak
Yes,
English, man.
Yeah, they
I don't
speak
know what
another
I can
language.
say.
that's true.
Yeah. And so when you have people who like understand your problem and really know how to communicate your problem to you, help you think, that really helps. And overall, like a combination of that just gets better over time. And I think that's it for today.
Yeah,
If you
man.
guys enjoy, drop the like button, watch the next video. It's gonna be could be a follow up, could be a new one. Peace out.
Peace.
Peace.